Today we're fishing a new lake. It's called Easter Lake. I've never been there. Let's go see what it has. Folks, made it to the first stop, throwing out my favorite lure to throw. Absolutely nothing. I've been skunked before, but this one just hurt more. All right, the expectations were higher, but we caught nothing. It is what it is. I loved it because we were able to come out here and see the new lake. I've never been here before, so that was cool. I'm gonna have to come back another day because I really need to catch something from this lake. Thanks for watching, folks.